Okay, so what we just did is we animated with 2 keyframes the beach ball going across the desert floor. We did that by keyframing position. So we had a keyframe at the beginning and about 2 seconds later another keyframe, and I'm going to slow that down just a little bit. So I'm going to have it go across in about 3 seconds. Okay, so let's say that we wanted to make it look like it's coming from the back here and kind of coming forward. So because this is only a 2D environment and not a 3D environment like After Effects, we can't quite accomplish the same thing as that. So, but what we can do is we can scale it up and make it look kind of like it's becoming bigger in the scene. I'm going to use my little arrows here to go back and forth into the beginning, and I'm going to scale the beach ball down just a little bit. Let's see, I'm going to make it about maybe 12 because there's about 23 there, and I'm going to turn on scale. Now I'm going to go to the last keyframe by hitting the position next keyframe, by hitting the little arrow here to go to the next keyframe. Now it's out of the scene, so I don't quite see that, but I'm going to scale it up. And we see here if I get it too big, it pops into the scene. So I'm going to make it about this big, and I still see it on the edge there. So what I'm going to have to do is move that over just a hair. Okay, so I've adjusted the position keyframe and I made the last keyframe bigger. Okay, so now if we play this back, it gets smaller and it gets bigger, and it kind of simulates what it looks like if it's coming forward towards us. So that's keyframing position and scale at the same time.